Hey there. Welcome to week 3 of our summer learning sessions. Last week we were in the southeast part of Michigan, or the Detroit area. This week we move around to the central eastern part of Michigan, or as some of us will like to call it, the thumb area. So now as we move in and around our great state of Michigan, we start to see the shape of our state and the uniqueness of it. And it looks like a mitten. So I thought this would be a great time to read a story entitled M is for Mitten. It's an alphabet rhyming book about all the things we can find in our great state of Michigan. So let's get started. Let me pull up our little presentation here. All our little pictures from the story. And there we go. Okay. So first, A is for apple blossom, frilly as can be. It dances in the springtime breeze upon the apple tree. B is for a great big bridge that's called the Mighty Mac. Whichever side you may be on, you can drive across and back. Now C is for cherry. Little sweet ones fill my belly. Tart ones make me pucker, so they're used in jam and jelly. Can you see anything else on this page that might begin with the letter C? D is for Detroit. It's called the Motor City, where cars roll out of factories, so bright, new, and pretty. Eastern white pine starts with E, a tree so tall and straight, cut from the timber long ago, all throughout our state. Well, we've had fun from A to E. What's next? Let's look and see. F stands for Gerald R Ford. He was president long ago. He is a very special man from Michigan. Did you know? G is for our Great Lakes with water fresh and clear. To see a state that's edged in blue, just take a good look here. Michigan is full of wonder, and now you can see why. Let's turn the page and take a peek at the letters H and I. H is for the harbors filled with boats and lights and docks. Some are soft and sandy, and some are filled with rocks. I is for the islands. There are many to be found. A piece of land that's big or small, with water that's all around. J is for Jiffy Mix, a quick and easy treat. And the letter K is for Kellogg. They make breakfast good to eat. Crunch, crunch, Lansing starts with the letter L. It's the capital of our state. Here's the rules and laws are made that make Michigan so great. And now we have a special letter. I'm sure you'll understand. M is for Mitten, the shape of our land. To see lower Michigan, just hold up your hand. N is for the native people paddling in the north, and for the northern lights flashing back and forth. And O is for the ore boats that cross our lakes with pride. They carry precious cargo to and from the ocean wide. P will stand for painted turtle, floating out of reach, and also for Petoskey stone, hiding on the beach. Q. Q is for the quadricycle, rumbling near and far. With just 4 wheels and 1 small seat, it was Henry Ford's very first car. R. R is for Robin, with red upon her breast, singing in the springtime to the babies in her nest. Now S. S is for our sand dunes drifting near the shore. When the wind begins to blow, they change their shapes once more. Tequamanon begins with T. 2 waterfalls on a river. The water rushes by so fast it almost makes us quiver. Ooh, what a sight, falling, falling with all of its might. Upper Peninsula begins with U. Rugged beauty for all to see. Lakes and rivers, ponds and streams are part of the great UP. Verner's is a soda pop that starts with the letter V, the first one made in the USA. It's as tasty as can be, fizz fizz. W is for white-tailed deer, as well as wolverine. Wherever you are in Michigan, there's wildlife to be seen. The letter X marks the spot where ships have met their fate. Deep beneath the water, sunken boats and treasure wait. Y is for the many yachts that race along the lake. Some are slow and quiet, some leave a great big wake. And finally, Z is for the Detroit Zoo. It's fun as fun can be. Now you've discovered Michigan from the letters A to Z. All right, well, that is our book. M is for Mitten. It's written by Annie Appleford. The poem by Kathy Jo Wargan and illustrated by Michael Glenn Monroe. Just a wonderful book. I highly recommend you pick it up at the local library or purchase it. Or you can just watch me read it over and over again. Now, fun thing about this book is that there's a handful of facts about the state of Michigan in the back of this book. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to list a question, one or two, every week on our Facebook page. I want you to try to answer as best you can. We'll see who can answer the most correctly. You can answer for fun, or maybe, who knows, maybe there might be a prize at the end of the summer. But either way, let's have some fun. All right. So continue to stay tuned for all our other lessons about Michigan and the thumb area. All right. Take care. We'll see you.